Hello, this is a quick review on the Can Am Outlander 450 with power steering. This is a 2020 model. I've had it for about a month. Put a little over 50 hours on it. It's about to go in for its first service. Just wanted to give my impressions and thoughts, likes, dislikes on the machine. Did not come stock like this. I've put some accessories on it. I'll go over those real quick. Front XT bumper. I ordered these from Can Am. Front and rear XT bumper. They're pretty simple to put on. It comes with everything you need. You need these link bases. You get 4 of them. They're $20. Mud guards. Comes in 1, 2, 3 pieces per side. So 6 guards total. I got those off of eBay. They are a Can Am product. 135 bucks. Hand guards, wind deflectors, whatever. It's also a Can Am product. No nuts, bolts, or screws. They just clip on there. They go on really easy, and they stay on too. They don't fall off. I also had the 23-gallon cargo storage box that attaches with the link system, but it kept coming off. It did not stay on very well at all, and it was 300 bucks. So I can't say that I recommend that particular accessory. I followed the instructions. I attached it with the hooks it came with, plus into the link system. I even strapped it down with some extra bungee cords, and it kept coming off. So I just took it off. Yeah, wasn't too happy with that particular accessory. Some things that I like: it's got plenty of power, 38 horsepower, CVT transmission, fully automatic. Plenty of power for me and the riding I do around my property and the woods that are behind my property. We ride it pretty hard on the trails. Not a lot of hills or anything, but just fast on the trails. I've posted some videos of that also. It handles them really well. Super comfortable, plush ride. The seat is really soft. I like the economy. 5.4 gallon tank, and it seems to go a really long time on 1 tank of gas. The model up from this is the 570. I believe that gets you 48 horsepower. I think the 38 horsepower this comes with in the single cylinder 450 is plenty. It's plenty for me. It's probably plenty for most people. Top end on this machine's in the low 60 mile per hour range. I haven't had it above 48, high 40s. I just don't have the room to run it out into the 50s and 60s, and I don't really need to for the type of riding that I do. I'll probably upgrade the tires and wheels next, but I'm gonna wear these out before I do that. Suspension's a little creaky. That's probably normal for most quads. It's not a huge complaint. The shifter is a little rubbery, not too bad. It doesn't slip in and out of gear, but sometimes you do have to mess with it a little bit to drop into the proper gear. Rear foot brake I never ever use. The engine braking is pretty aggressive. I just don't use, I hardly use the brakes at all. Hand brake, if I use a brake, it's this one. It's the left hand brake. You don't have one on the right side. As you can tell, in the 4 or 5 weeks that I've had it, definitely got some scrapes and scratches, and it's held up well. I'm real happy with it. I'll probably get another one or some other Can Am product. Overall, I'm satisfied. I paid $6,599 plus tax, plus titles and fees, so on. Had a bunch of safety stickers on there, but I got them off. Use WD-40. That works the best. It comes off really easy. The glue and the adhesive that sticks those on, WD-40 works the best. The cell phone holder stays on really well when you put the straps on the back. and this GoPro mount. That's pretty much it. I may do a more detailed review later. Just wanted to do a quick one. I have some other videos using the GoPro riding through trails, and those are on my channel. So click the like button, subscribe if you like what you see, leave a comment. I like to hear what everybody has to say.